Hey guys, I'm whipping up some veggies for dinner. This is two zucchini cut up, and then I put in a whole package of white mushrooms, and then I used about 6 of these little peppers. They're different color peppers, red, red, yellow, and orange, and then an onion. And I'm just, basically sauteing. I had water in there. We don't saute in butter or anything. And then over here I made split pea soup. Show you what that looks like with yams in it. So this recipe is up on my channel. The only difference is I used the yellow split peas in this one. Normally I use green split peas, but I didn't have any. But all it is one bag of split peas. And then I put in there celery, carrots, and onions. And I used 3 yams, and then I cut that all up, and I put it in my Instant Pot here, and it was 29 minutes cook time. The only seasoning I used in here was this right here, Italian seasonings. I just sprinkle it all over the top like that, put the lid on, and that's it for that. And then over here I made rice. This is brown rice, and that's how I serve it. So it's brown rice, and then I put the soup on top, and then the mixed veggies here. So yeah, that's what's for dinner. It's delicious and healthy. Hopefully you like this little show and tell.